Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 10020002016. The error reads, Authentication error. The server authentication process failed. The game will now restart. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game. It prevents them from accessing the game and forces a restart. According to our research, this error is likely caused by issues with the authentication process. It may happen due to incorrect date and time settings, VPN interference, corrupted cache, network-related problems, or temporary issues with the game servers. 10. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. After that, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, disable any active VPN on your device, then relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update Pokémon TCG Pocket. If an update is available, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, make sure your device date and time settings are set to automatic. If not, turn on the automatic date and time and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try clearing the cache of the game. After clearing the cache, open the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After switching, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a system-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.